Oh, whoa. This is starting to feel weird. Oh my god. Here we are, another day later. Didn't do it. We are getting ready to go down to Salvador City, but so we went there last night without the GoPro because in fearing that we probably the GoPro would not be allowed on here. But yeah, so now that I got clarification, you can't take any electronics on any ride, like phone, GoPro, except for like watches. You can take watches on the ride, but I didn't see a rule for it not to be brought in the park, so we're going to do some BTS vlogs while there. Right, so coming back into we're getting ready to get off for Salvador City. We're climbing up the ladder to go down this big slide. Playground equipment here, monkey bars, slide, sand, tennis thing, tire swing, basketball hoop. But yeah. Alright, so coming into Salvador City on our day here, we just got into the park and we're just gonna get a few rides without the GoPro camera, unfortunately, but we're not gonna do the water park either. Yeah, we don't have much time, but yeah, we're gonna have a good time. Okay, so we just got off the Time Traveler as our first ride of the day, and yeah, that's the main sign, you guys. And yeah, so spinning around, going upside down. Okay, so we also went on Thunderation too, but it's too rough. But it was very rough, so I don't think we're gonna do that today. But yeah, my apologies without the GoPro. Okay, so we just got off the giant barn swing and the high-low silos, and we just we're following a lot of horseshoes. Yeah, so the giant barn swing is like so. We just have a breezy feeling of getting weightless in the air, and then I tried to do the high-low silos by using all my muscle to get me to the top, and yeah, so. I just went on a giant barn swing to use all my strength and to get it to the top, and yeah, within 75 seconds, that's a pretty long time. Yeah, so yeah, heading to the log right now. Okay, so we just got off we just went on the wildfire once again. Did it three times yesterday in front. Got second this time, and then and now we're heading to the flooded mine. So, and yeah. Here's the grandfather's mansion. Go right inside. I'm inside grandfather. Grandfather's mansion visitor's entrance. God bless on our home. Grandpa says, stand to read, walk slow. I will. Old typewriter. Here we are in the upside down room. There's the carpet on the ceiling. We see someone rocking backwards. Bed's upside down. Check your face appears here. And do not look. I'll look anyways. Someone's taking a shower. Back upside down. Down these stairs to John's room. Whoa, this is gonna feel weird. Oh, whoa. This is starting to feel weird. Oh my god. Oh, here's the tilted room. Grandson, granddaughter, grandmother, grandfather, dressing mirrors. Wow. Oh, OMG. Some beds. Pool table, rocking chairs, benches. Whoa. I'm on Grandma's reclining couch. Try it. This is insane. So insane. Wow. Feels just like the cosmos in South Dakota I was a long time ago. Wow. This is really insane. Grandpa's Spy Eye I Spy hole. Wow. Grandfather clock doesn't work anymore. More pictures of paintings of some of our guests who live here. Down the mirrors. Whoa. Please exit here. Wow. Hurried out. We lost our lease. It was in Grandpa's desk just yesterday. Wow, and that was the complete experience on the Grandpa's mansion. So yeah, before that we were on the, I don't remember what it's called, but it's the Flooded Mine, where we had to play games, and I was so bad, I only got 1,500. But yeah, that was the whole experience of the mansion.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting, and they had to hire a new one.
Alright, so we just got off our final ride of the day, Time Traveler. We did it once again as our first and last ride of the day. And I am very disappointed that we didn't get to do the Outlaw Run because it's been closed all day. So I don't, unfortunately, with me having enough of complaining, I'm sorry I complain sometimes, but yeah, just forget about that sentence. I usually don't complain. So yeah, so we did the Fire in the Hole, Powder Keg, once again that launches you. Then we did a Time Traveler. And yeah, that's going to do it for this adventure. Thank you for watching and listening. I hope to see you right back here in the very near future.